Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to hop on and do a more detailed tour of my Gucci wallet. I think there's not a lot of videos on this layout of wallet, and I think it is a super practical layout that more people should definitely incorporate into their lives if they want a luxury SLG. So this wallet is the Gucci compact wallet in the GG embossed leather. So what you have if you open the wallet is the GG embossed leather goes all the way down the front of the wallet. It's a beautiful leather. It's very soft, very buttery. It's pretty durable. I've gotten one scratch on it, which you can see right there. But otherwise, it's survived being shoved in and out of many bags, being put in my pocket at some points. It's a great, really soft, really high quality leather. And so if you open the wallet, this is the layout of the wallet. So you'll see that it has horizontal card slots. So like this is what the wallet would look like kind of sitting up. You have 2 card slots here, 3 card slots here, or like 2 card slots in a slip pocket back there. And then the best feature of this wallet is this big open compartment. So this open compartment can hold probably like 15 cards. So I want to show you so this is a stack of just 10 cards, and it fits in there no problem. I could probably fit a couple more, and then you can fit 5 more cards in these pockets here. So this wallet can hold a ton of cards, and it's great because this wallet is super compact. So if I show you this wallet, I'm just going to show you how it compares to 2 cards. So you'll see the wallet is basically the size of like 2 cards standing up. Maybe a little bit shorter than that. But it's a very compact size wallet, and yet it can hold like 15 cards, which is fantastic. The inside of all of these slip pockets, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but maybe it'll be easier to see here, is not a leather. It's like a nylon fabric, which I really like because it's more durable. You don't feel like you're scratching it every time you pull a card in and out. And the nylon continues back there. Back there, it's literally behind every single pocket. And then this wallet also has a bill compartment, which again has that like nylon fabric that's very durable. The bill compartment is a great feature. I really like not having to fold my bills up to fit in a compact wallet, but it is a very tight bill compartment. If you compare it to like the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, which has an extra long bill pocket because it's a trifold wallet, you really do have to kind of finagle to get your cash in here. And sometimes what I end up doing when we're out and about is I just, if I have like a dollar bill or like change, I just like fold it up, shove it in the side here just so it's like in the right place, but I don't have time to like really shove it in there. Close the wallet, and then when I get home or when we have a second where I can like pull all the cash out of my wallet, I will fix that properly and lay it flat. As so. Even then, it just feels like it's not in there that great, but it does lay flat, and it will eventually straighten itself out. So this is a great little wallet. I really, really love the layout of the wallet. And just in terms of wear and tear over the last year, like I said, I have this scratch right here. Like I said in my 9-month update, I have these wrinkles here, which are pretty ugly, but I think are pretty natural when you have a wallet that folds, like at all. I am concerned that these wrinkles are going to turn into tears because the leather is getting constantly like bended and folded. So I'm watching that. I don't really know what to do about it. Maybe some leather conditioner, maybe not. We'll see. And then I also have a small little dent right there, probably from pulling a card in and out or something. But in terms of the hardware, it's fine. It says Gucci. It might have some scratches just from, me missing when I like try to close it. This snap closure does not say Gucci. The stamp here says Gucci made in Italy, and that's fine. No wear and tear there. There's a little speck of something right there, so let me just try to wipe it away. Huh, weird. Okay, well there's some grossness on the wallet. Oh, there it goes. Sorry, got distracted. And the only other kind of wear and tear is this string has popped out, and I don't know, I think in my last video I said that, you know, that's just part of how they wrap the string around, but I don't necessarily think that's true. I think maybe it popped out on its own, which is not great, but I also don't think that this wallet is really held together by just that one string, so I'm sure it'll be fine, and it won't tear open or anything like that. But yeah, in terms of the other stitching, it's doing great, and the glazing is all perfectly fine. So this wallet has survived a year of daily use, not gentle use, and being shoved in and out of many different bags, into my pocket, things like that, and it's looking great. I highly recommend the Gucci leather. It's just so luxurious, and for the price, this thing was $400, and when you compare it to a canvas piece from Louis Vuitton, the Victorine wallet, which is like upwards of $550, I think, this is just a great value because you get a real leather product, and it can hold a lot more cards than most other compact wallets. So yeah, that's my little plug for my little Gucci wallet. I've been enjoying it and will continue using it until it falls apart probably, or until I have like a special event where I can get a new SLG. But otherwise, this is my daily carry for the foreseeable future. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or any video ideas for the Gucci wallet. I think there's not enough videos about this wallet on YouTube, but I can't really think of creative ideas of how to make a video about it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.